Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Atom. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Atom was once again rejected by a resistance of a huge falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now let's move to the live chart. And here you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, first we broke out this smaller falling wedge pattern. After that, we had a nice pump, but the price and is rejected by this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern. I'm going to show you this smaller falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or month, it was moving inside this wedge since after the month of Feb 2024. We had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce, so many rejections here. Then we had another bounce here, a few more rejections, bounce, rejection, bounce, and finally the price and broke out the resistance of the channel wedge. And after the breakout this wedge, price and retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support, and after that it geared up. The technical target was at the top of the wedge, approximately here at $14.80, and you can see that the price and could not hit that target so far. It is rejected by the resistance of this wedge. And now we have broken down this support of $8.70, and recently we have broken down another very significant support of $6.50. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for CHR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 4th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying line and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Atom. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally the price line broke out the resistance. And before the breakout, the price line also tested this long-term downtrend line support of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. At the same time, it also tested this long-term support of $3.80 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $3.80 has been previously working as a very strong support here in the month of September 2020. And now again, it worked as a very nice support. In fact, the price informed a double bottom at this support, along with this support of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. The technical target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $15. And if the price then reaches there, then it can also break out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that since after the month of May 2021, it is moving inside this very, very huge falling wedge pattern. When we first time found the support here in the month of May 2021, we had a bounce here and at the bounce here, and we got a few more rejections here, almost three rejections here. And we had another bounce here, and we had another rejection and formed a double bottom here and also tested the support of the wedge two times here. And then recently the pricing is once again rejected by the resistance of the wedge. This time, if the pricing tests the support of the wedge, then it can drop down somewhere here, approximately at $3.46. And in case of breaking out the resistance, because we have already broken out this wedge, therefore I'm expecting that this time there is a very high probability that we may break out this wedge. Then a long-term target for the breakout after the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $45 to $50. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.